Hello friends, family, and YouTube community. It's your friendly neighborhood YouTuber Chase, also known as Jughead Gaming. And today we're back with an exciting brand new episode for you guys, and we're actually doing another cooking tutorial because we got great feedback on that last time. So yet again, because I myself cannot cook, as we know pretty well, I am joined with my girlfriend,
Sammy.
And yeah, we're just gonna chase you guys right into the kitchen. Let's go ahead and get started. So tonight, yo quiero Taco Bell, but the issue is it's kind of cold and snowing outside, so I don't think we're gonna be going outside any. So what are we gonna do?
Good news for you, we're gonna be making some homemade crunch wraps.
Oh boy, crunch wraps, my favorite! Alright Sammy, since you're the cook, obviously I'm not. We've found that out by experience. Go ahead and tell us what's going into these delicious, succulent, homemade Taco Bell crunch wraps.
Alright, so today for our crunch wraps, you're gonna need your cheese, and we prefer the Mexican style blend. You are going to need some salsa of your choosing, any brand is fine. You're going to need some lettuce, some tortillas. And we have two types. We have the burrito size, and we also have the taco size. We just didn't want to use as much, or waste as much tortilla. You're going to need some tostados, and you're going to need some crema. And this is just like sour cream.
Crema Mexicana, just like what they use at Chipotle if you like those burritos and that kind of sour cream.
Or you can just use regular sour cream. It's all up to you. You're going to need,
yeah, it's a preference thing.
The queso.
The queso is a very important part because, let's be honest, we all love cheese. The issue is, it all becomes preference. We've tried different types of queso, nacho cheese in it. The problem is, our favorite is Taco Bell. So we had to pull a lot of strings and do a lot of hard work to get the secret ingredient to the Taco Bell nacho sauce. I don't know how else you guys are gonna have to get it besides, contacting Taco Bell yourself and getting the secret ingredient. But we're held liable. We can't tell you how that's made or even how we get it.
4 side cheese.
Yeah, nacho cheese with 4 extra sides of cheese.
Can we get 2 nachos with cheese? And can we get 4 extra cups of cheese?
Like 6 cups of onion cheese.
Yes, please. Thank you. Eat here.
Oh.
For your meat, you're gonna need onions, although you don't have to use onions. We used about 1/3 of an onion probably, so you can use that to give it a little more extra flavor. And a 1/4 cup of taco seasoning, and of course your pound of meat.
Oh boy, soy mucho hambre. I can't wait to get started.
Alright, so to get started, you're gonna have to brown your meat and chop it up. So we're going to do that. Once your meat is browned, that's when you're going to add your onions and then cook the onions, saute them a little bit with the meat, and then drain it. And then you'll add your taco seasoning and water. Is not completely cooked yet. I am gonna add my onions because I don't want it to be the meat to be really overcooked. So I'm gonna go ahead and add those.
Oh boy, look at that meat sizzle.
Alright, so now that the grease is all drained, we're going to add our 1/4 cup of taco seasoning. I like to just stir it in a bit. And now we're going to add, which I forgot to mention, but for our taco seasoning, we're going to add a 2/3 cup of water.
Killed the sizzle.
Alright, so now we're going to let that thicken up a bit. We're going to let it simmer on probably about 2 or just low to medium heat. And make sure that you do not cover it. That way it will happen quicker for about 2 to 3 minutes.
A little fun fact for you guys while that simmers down. Since I am a history major too and I love fun facts, Taco Bell first opened March 21st, 1962 in Downey, California. How exciting is that? Also, the first Crunchwrap Supreme was introduced January 2006, which, thank you, best date ever in history. Taco Bell introduced the best menu item they have.
Make sure that you keep stirring your meat.
Look at that, always working. When you could be looking up fun historical fun facts. I mean, come on! Ooh boy, that's looking like some real nice meat.
Alright, so now that that has cooked down, it is nice and thick, we can go ahead and start assembling. Alright, so I have already started to preheat our skillet. If you don't have a skillet, then you can just use a regular non-stick pan.
If you don't have a skillet, then what are you doing with your life? Or are you trying to make cooking more difficult than it has to be? I don't know what I'm saying. We'll just get right back to the cook.
Alright, so we are going to take our small tortilla and we're going to place a tostada on top. And we're gonna make the small tortilla the same size. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut that here.
Oh, smelled like it burnt.
Alright, so we're gonna set both of these to the side. Take our large tortilla. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set these to the side. And we're going to take our large tortilla, and that's preferably more round than that one. And we're going to start with our meat. So we're going to take a nice size amount of meat and place it right in the center. You want it in the center so that you will be able to fold these sides up around your tostado or tostada and your other tortilla. Alright, so once we have that down, we're going to put our cheese, our melted cheese, right on top. Here, we're just going to drizzle it along here. And put as much as you want, as little as you want.
I put a lot on.
So now we're going to take our tostada, place it right on top of there. Now we're going to add our shredded cheese, our lettuce, our...
everything else.
So go ahead and put that on here. Just spread it around. And the best part about this is you can add whatever you want. If you want to add more, you can add peppers to it. You can add
Tomatoes, like actual
tomatoes.
crunch wraps. Yes, I like tomatoes. We never have tomatoes.
Which is why we have the salsa. Because salsa, I can handle.
Salsa, tomatoes, whatever kind of tomato-y product you want to put on there. Ketchup. If you're weird, you can put ketchup on it. We don't care. We don't judge.
We might if you put ketchup on it. Okay. Put some cheese on here. And again, I like cheese, so I'm putting a lot on. Alright, moving on to one of the hardest parts, which is folding it. So we're gonna put our
I struggle every time.
cut tortilla on top of our stuff, and we're gonna go ahead and start like, and we're gonna kind of fold it in like that.
Good luck, everybody. I'm not sure I've ever successfully folded one of these crunch wraps out of how many times we've made them now. Oh, it's looking like a decent fold besides that very last corner there. Kind of
Okay.
disrupted it.
And this is the other hard part. Alright. So we're gonna kind of just slide this onto our...
Oh, it was a good slide.
That was perfect. Alright, so we're going to let that cook just a little bit. I'm going to grab a spatula here. We're going to let that cook till it's about a little golden brown on the other side. And then we'll flip it and make sure it's golden brown on that side.
Alright, now you're going to see how the man of the house makes this. And usually doesn't make it quite as well. But, you know, I don't worry about the small details. I don't care. Oh, I already cracked it. I don't care about perfect cut around. I know some people do. I cracked my Crunchwrap some more, but that's okay. Because in my mind, what I'm just looking at is what's gonna look best in my stomach. Not on a plate. Look at that cut. Just a little off, but you can still smile through it. Get some of that good meat over here. Ooh, baby. See this meat? Cooked just right. And honestly, it's what makes homemade Crunchwraps even better. Is the fact that you can have like real good meat in it. Like, delicious. I'm like a Food Network commentator, a host, you know? I need to like sample each piece as I go. Fantastico, we got that on there. Here we go. Put nacho cheese on it. I'm going all in on the nacho cheese because I love it. Well, bam. And get that good crema on here.
Could you be more messy about it?
I'm sure I could if I wanted to. Alright.
That is the messiest I've ever seen.
I'm sure you've seen worse.
Oh
Alright.
my god.
This is why I'm not a cook. Again, I eat. I commentate, I eat. Don't learn how to make these from me. My job is to provide quality entertainment for you guys. Let's try to fold this sucker up. This is a fat mamma jamma. Oh boy. Here we go. It's one of my better folds I've done.
Yeah.
Making up for everything else. Uh-oh. 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 It's too fat. It's too fat. All right.
Oh, this is gonna be hilarious.
Let's try to transfer this. Without burning myself here. Oh boy, I'm about to burn myself. Oh no!
And it fell apart. Perfect. Golden brown on the outside, a little golden here. And now we're gonna get the other side golden brown.
My poor Crunchwrap. It is depleted. It is falling apart. But you know what? It's about to taste really good.
That's all it matters. Alright, let's take a look here. Not as bad as some have turned out for you.
Oh, that poor sucker is falling apart.
This is why you make it the correct way. My way, his way. Alright, and mine is all ready to eat. It's perfectly golden brown on the top, and I cannot wait to bite into it.
Should we do like a tasty moment right here where we say like, oh yeah. I want mine. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you did enjoy. Again, if you enjoyed this, as well as more videos coming your way, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and like this video, share with your friends, because now you know how to make a Crunchwrap. Taco Bell's gonna hate us because you're about to have a better Crunchwrap, but still go send Taco Bell some love.
Always.
If you guys want to learn how to cook something, comment below a dinner item, some dish, and we'll figure out how to make it, and we'll make a tutorial for you guys. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we're signing out.